So 16b, and open the program called Question 16b from your device, and source code is shown on the next page and described briefly below. So just before we go have a look at it, before making any changes, you should use the format candidate number question 16_b.py. So very similar to before here. We're just going to open up that file. So it's question 16b, open that fella up there. So we've now got it, but straight away we're going to save it, save as, and stick in your exam number at the start of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the exam number example I'm given there. Click save, and you can see now you've got this up here, and that's the first bit done. And remember, continually save as you go along. So enter your examination number in the space provided on line 2. Again, there's line 2. Examination number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So going back here, this program is very similar to that provided for part A with two main differences. The two main differences are the code to calculate the password score is contained in a function definition called calculate score, so that's the function name. This function accepts a parameter called password and returns the calculated score. Okay, so it takes in the password that the user gives it, I would say, and then it returns the calculated score based on a load of rules. Instead of prompting the user to enter a single password, this program uses a list of hard-coded passwords called test passwords. So it must be a list there called test passwords. And when the program is run, it loops through each password in the list test passwords. I'm sure using a for loop or maybe a while loop. As it does so, it calculates and displays the score of each password. So a sample run of the program is shown below, and these are the scores you get of the password. See you in the next video for answering of the questions.